Today we're making these table cards for a seating plan. They're super easy to do. So I'm just starting in Photoshop, but you can start straight in Design Space if that's what you prefer and that's what you're used to. First things first, you need to pick the shape you want. I've just went with this simple luggage tag design. And then you need to add your table header and then the names. I just went with a really simple thin script font for this. Then you need to save each file separately. So I've already saved the luggage tag, I'll save the table numbers as well. Go across to Design Space and then upload them both. So once they're uploaded, size them to the right size of how you want them to be. So I'm going to go about 4 inches there and then change that to white so you can see the writing of the top. Get that lined up as well. Make sure you've got it where you want it. And then change the names to write rather than cut. Pick the pen that you're going to use. Loads of different colours and options you can go for, but I'm just going for black. And then click Shift on both and attach, like that. And then you can make it. So it'll draw on first and then cut around the design. Continue. And then I'm just going to use some brown cardstock, like craft paper cardstock, so it's quite easy, but set it to what you're going to use as well. And then go ahead and place your material on the mat. I'm just using the standard grip because I've got cardstock, but you might want to use the light grip if you're using paper or something a bit thinner. Make sure it's stuck down. And then you need to insert your pen, so just push it down. Shouldn't take too much force. Make sure that clasp is shut completely before you insert your mat. And then you can just press cut. I've just sped this bit up because it can take a while. And obviously you can do more than one tag at a time. I've just done this as an example. You might also want to look at the fonts on Design Space for something a bit thinner, because obviously this font has to go around twice, but I kind of like the way it looks once it's done that. But if you do want something thinner, Design Space do have some good options for lots of different type of fonts. There you go, that's it done. Unload, take it off the mat. Don't do what I've done here, flip it over and take the mat off backwards, but I was just doing this for quickness. But there you go, all done. If you like this, please subscribe for more tutorials. I'll have some more videos for you soon. Thanks for watching.